India Alliance workers have been protesting in Patna in Bihar. They are protesting against rising crime and law and order situation in the state. Meanwhile, Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha has slammed the opposition and has said that the Prime Minister and Chief Minister have not given any protection to the people but continue to give protection to criminals. Let's quickly listen in to what is being said.
खामी को छुपा रहे हैं, वहां त्वरित एक्शन होती है और बिहार लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में आजादी के समय नंबर 1 स्टेट था। विगत काल खंडों में जो प्रतिपक्ष का आज शोर मचा रहे हैं, तो वही लोग ये घटना को अंजाम प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष दे रहे थे और ऐसे लोग पर जब दबिश बढ़ रही है तो वो फिर चिल्ला रहे हैं और बहुत जल्द बड़े बड़े निर्णय हो रहे हैं, त्वरित गति से एक्शन हो रही है। बिहार में पूरी तरह से लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का राज कायम है। देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में अपराधी को कहीं संरक्षित नहीं। आतंकवाद, उग्रवाद और अपराध भ्रष्टाचार, इस चारों पर पूरी तरह से दबिश बनी हुई है।
Anand Singh with us on the broadcast. Anand, take our viewers through this latest protest by the India Bloc, this time in Bihar. What really has urged the India Bloc to take to the streets?
Yeah, look, the way in which the India Bloc members have hit the streets in Bihar, Patna over here, and they have been demanding that the law and order situation in Bihar has deteriorated under the NDA government led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. And they have been highlighting that how the VIP party chief, Mukesh Sahni's father, the way in which he was killed a few days ago in Bihar's Darbhanga district. So they have been demanding that the government must take note of the deteriorating law and order situation in the state, as there have been several murders and several reports of the crime indicating that the crime rate in Bihar has shot up in the last few months. And the RJD and the Congress and the CPIM, all the left parties have staged a protest all together in Bihar's Patna over here, and they have been demanding that the Chief Minister must take note of all the crime rate that has been going up. And the RJD has also targeted the BJP-led NDA in the state, saying that they used to dub Bihar under the RJD rules as Jungle Raj. However, now what they will call this recent spate of crime that has gone up in the state.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.